What up, YouTube family? DevanOnDeck back once again with another Instagram Stories tips video just for you. Now this one's about the highlights. Now I'm not sure if you noticed, but it's a trend going around right now where people are putting dope, curated icons for different categories on their highlights. So if you look on their homepage, you'll see a nice organized row of icons that just look really dope. So I'm gonna teach you exactly how to do that, all from your phone, right after this intro. Welcome back to DevanOnTech, where I give you how-tos and creative talk. Now in this video, I'm giving you the exact way to put those icons on your Instagram Stories highlights. But first, if you haven't subbed to my channel yet, I would greatly appreciate that. If it's your first time here, my name is DevanOnDeck, and I first got my start on Instagram, my friend. I am the fashion guy that creates anime-inspired video content, and that's exactly where this part of my channel was born. So here on DevanOnTech, I teach you the content tips and editing, as well as how to be more effective on social media. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, please. And if you've already subbed to my channel, press that bell icon, and you get a notification every time I drop a video. Okay, so first things first, make sure you update your app to the newest version possible, okay? You need the newest version of Instagram on your phone. And secondly, I haven't actually done this myself at all, but I do have a guest here who's very much more experienced than I am. And that is my wife, Shanae. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent. So she's actually done this already. She's seen a lot of like blogger girls do it, and I was like, oh, that's really tight. I like it. It caught my radar, and I was like, let me just make a video about it, but we'll just have you teach it. You did it first. So she's gonna explain to you how she got her icons together. I'm gonna get out the way, and you can take it.
No, come back, because you had me do all these steps in Photoshop, and then you figured out a quick way to do it.
Yes.
On PICFRAME.
She did it the hard way the first time. Cause I didn't really.
You told me.
Well, I didn't know. Like the only first thing I could think of was just do it on your computer, because that's kind of, you know, Photoshop's my default, y'all. You know I love Photoshop. So yeah, I guess I'll walk y'all through how I did it with PICFRAME, and then Shanae can have the floor back. Okay, so just. Okay, so here's a quick way to do it. First thing you want to do is go to Google. You want to search for your icon. So for this, I'm going to put travel icon. Cool. Searching travel icon. It's going to come up. Go to images, and then find one that you like. Okay, I'm going to go down until I find one. Okay, airplane, cool. I'm gonna take this airplane. I'm gonna save it to my photos, and I'm gonna go over to PICFRAME. When you open PICFRAME, you wanna do two things, okay? Make sure your ratio is 9:16, and then you go all the way down to the very, very last page of frames. It'll be this top left one, almost like second from the left, okay? Right here, boom, these top three. So you're gonna go ahead and hit that one in the middle, take your icon, put it right there in the middle, done, and then just export that bad boy. Save it, so when you go upload it to your Instagram story, my friend, it will be right there, the exact same size you need it to be. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, Shanae, come back. You good?
Yes.
All right, I'm out your way.
So the first thing you want to do, once you have your icons saved to your phone, go ahead, add them to your story. They have to be added to your story before you can actually use it as a highlight. It can be annoying for some. It was annoying for me because I had random icons on my story that didn't have to do with anything, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So once it's added, go to your profile. On your profile, if you don't have anything there, it'll say story highlights. Just tap that and drop down. If you already have highlights like I do and you wanna change the cover, hold it down, tap edit highlight, and then you can select the actual icon you want there. If you're doing a new one, tap new. You'll see your icon, select it, go to next. Then you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name this one Me and Bay. You can edit cover to make it whatever size you wanna make it. Make sure it's in the middle. Then tap add, and then it should be right there on your profile. Now, to add the actual stories and pictures that you want to be in this highlight, hold it down, tap edit highlight, go over to your archive, and then just select whatever photos and videos that you want. Once you have them all selected, you can tap on done, and then there you go.
So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing with my stories, y'all, yet. Want to see them on her profile, exactly how they go. Her Instagram is s.anderson. I will put it down here, or like down here. I don't know, one of these corners. Well, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up for your boy and your girl. Please put comments below what you guys think about this video. Let me know any questions you might have. I will answer them, or Shanae will answer them, because she's the, you know.
I'm the guru.
Yeah.
On highlights.
Yes, she's the guru. So put them down there. I'll make sure she answers the comments. It won't be me, it will be her. And if you haven't subbed to my channel yet, I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Yes.